Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing the new iPhone 10 and I just got this in the mail today. Here's what the packaging looks like. Pretty standard. And there is this clear wrapping on it. This is just the space gray one, 64 gigabytes. Alrighty, so here's what the box looks like up close. Let's go ahead and lift the box up. Okay, and then we have this, and of course the phone is right there. It says hello. These are kind of like the main new functions here that are different from previous iPhones. In the back, we have some more basic instructions. Okay, so here is the phone itself. It takes up pretty much the whole box. It looks really glossy and reflective. Let's go ahead and take it out. So the first thing I noticed is that because there is no home button, it really just looks like one whole like seamless marble or some kind of stone, so that definitely looks really nice. This is what the side looks like. It's super reflective, but for the black one or space gray, it's a bit more toned down, but it's still kind of shiny right there on the side. And here is your back. So that's what the back looks like. The camera's right there, and also, just to go over the other things in the box, there's of course the charging cube. We have the headphones right here, and the cord for the charging, and that's about it in the box. Alrighty, so it is really, really reflective. But yeah, let's remove so let me go ahead and power on the phone and see what happens. Okay, so here's the screen. Here's what it looks like. So swipe up. And one thing I'm already noticing is obviously the super shiny black. It picks up fingerprints pretty easily. After Face ID, you can also set up a normal password. This is the default wallpaper. We have dynamic, which is, and then the stills, and then the live. So if you press on the screen, it'll animate. Okay, so got those options. This is, I think, the 3D touch. We have dynamic, which is, and then the stills, and then the live. So if you press on the screen, it'll animate. Alrighty, so that is the phone. Takes some getting used to without the button. But yeah, this is the new iPhone 10.